I'm keeping you close with your hand to hold. I've gone on too long. Most of my days a colorless haze.
My love, my bebe, my partner in crime. Looking back nung inaya kitang lumabas, or should I say date natin, that moment when I saw your beautiful smile. Sobrang nabighani ako sa ganda mo at pagkatao mo. Yun yung tipong game kang tumawid sa daan kahit may malaking signage na huwag tumawid dito, nakamamatay. At tumalon pa sa bakod kasama upang marating natin yung restaurant na first time nating mapupuntahan. Sabi ko sa sarili ko that time, ito na yun. Ito yung babaeng pakakasalan ko at makakasama habang buhay. Simula noon, ang saya na ng lahat.
Jejomar Binay. Oh, best man yan.
Mga ninong at ninang, mga abay, mga bisita, kaibigan, katrabaho, ni Jessica at ni Jeric. Welcome dito sa Basilica ang Parokya ni San Martin.
I love you. Mahal na mahal kita.
Nagkako kayo na eh. Alam mo naman.
My babe, saan ang magustuhan mo ito? Palagi mong isa-isip at isa puso na mahal kita. Ngayon. Wala kayo niyan!
Sus yung napili kong regalo sa'yo, bebe ko. Dahil alam ko mahilig ka sa shoes, lalo na sa mga limited edition. Hindi ito pang display, gamitin mo. Wow, sweet naman.
Campus crush siya, no? Tapos medyo ang gwapo. Sige na nga. Crush ko din siya, no?
Yes! Thank you!
You once told me I was never gonna die. Just so I can find off in the sky. I'm in love with what you look like from the side. Hit me with that look in your eyes. I will take some time to let my feelings through. In love with how you stare up at the moon. I found another color in you. I found another color in you.
Isa na akong ganap na misis. Oh, wala pa. Napakaswerte ko na binigay ka sa akin ng Panginoon. Matalino, handang umintindi, umanawa sa mga pagkakamali ko. Hindi naman ako nagkamali sa pagpili. Hayaan mo, hindi ka magsisisi sa desisyon mo. Napakasalan ako.
No one ever saw me like you do.
Yang inyong focus, Jessica at Jeric, simula sa araw nito, ay ang Panginoon sa Panginoon. Na siya tumawag sa inyo para kayo'y pagtipanin ang sakramento ng kasal.
Your eyes say everything without a single word, 'cause there's something in the way you look at me. as if my heart knows you're the missing piece. You make me believe that there's nothing in this world I can't be. I never know what you see, but there's something in the way you look at.
Ang maipapangako ko sa'yo, mahalin ka, mabigyan ka ng masaya at buong pamilya sa tulong at gabay ng Panginoon. Mahal na mahal kita.
If I could free
Jessica, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Jeric na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Jeric, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Jessica na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
the way I always wanna feel, 'cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's as if my heart knows you're the missing piece. You make me believe that there's nothing in this world I can't be. I never know what you see, but there's something in the way you look at me. I don't know how or why I feel different in your eyes. All I know is it happens every time. Cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's as if my heart knows you're the missing piece. You make me believe that there's nothing in this world I
Ngayon,
can't be.
We're celebrating our 5th year anniversary sa mismong kasal natin. Whatever happens in our life, I promise I will always by your side. I promise to listen when you feel hurt. I promise to kiss you and say I love you 3 times before I walk out the door. I promise to honor you every day. And lastly, I will do everything to make you happy. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita, Jessica.